We sailed onto Ascension Island, which is only 200 miles away from St. Helena, and that was an army base. We thought at that point in time, we got there and the people were extremely friendly. They only allow you for 3 days to be on the island, but they gave us a grand tour of the island and for nothing. And we then spoke to the person looking after the turtles, and she told us that the turtles will swim all the way from Brazil to Ascension Island to come and breed, and then they will go back again. And we were there during breeding season. Again, a tremendous, tremendous sight. Looking back, if I had this technology that I'm seeing in front of me now, the cell phone, that would have been such wonderful footage to have. We saw those enormous, enormous turtles. They are gigantic. Come out on the beach and they will paddle and paddle and paddle these huge holes. We were literally 10, 12 meters away. And we saw them lay their eggs. And the next morning she said, you must be here early. So there were other nests that was already there for quite a while. And we saw the small turtles climb out and take their best shot to actually go into the ocean. It's a heartwarming, wonderful, wonderful sight.